Hey, what's up, guys? You guys are watching Charles Lane 27, and stay tuned because today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your headphones to your electronic drum module wirelessly. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Charles Lane 27 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to wirelessly link up a pair of drum headphones for electronic drum models to your drum module wirelessly. All right. Now, mind you, this is going to be mostly only for the ones that have the removable plug. All right. This is not a pair of professional ones. This is Skull Candy. But I don't know if they make a quarter-inch cable for that. So what I did is what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go online and look for this is just standard, strictly a standard Bluetooth receiver by the company called Raytide or something like that. I don't know how you'd pronounce it. All I know is it's spelled REYTID. But anyways, there you just plug this into the little headphone jack, that little 3.5 millimeter jack onto the headphones, because that's what's standard on this. All right, you're gonna need one of them, and then you're gonna need another thing, which this is a Zedo Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, and this can do transmit or receive, but you want to turn it on, and you're going to want to make sure that it's in TX mode, which means that it's transmitting, because transmitting means that it's taken to whatever this is plugged into and sending the signal out to this, basically. And you're going to want to turn this on.
Power on.
You might be able to hear that. It says power on. I want to say connected. What is connected? I don't know if you can hear it.
Disconnected. Connected.
Oh, so that's weird. Okay, see, and now it's displaying the name of the headphones. And this actually, I was using this originally for, just for my phone and stuff, but this is what it shows up under the name of the device on my phone, so it's the same thing. So, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the cable that's included with this, and it includes one of these, and it includes one of these. Alright, and right here what I got is a Pearl Red Box, otherwise known as the Alesis DM10 drum module. And the reason why I'm showing you this video is because, look, this is not a 3.5 millimeter jack. This is a quarter-inch mono jack. So, as I was saying, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take one of these, or take the included cable with this, and you're going to want to plug it in on the side here. Now, mind you, this is rechargeable via micro USB. The same thing with this. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is also micro USB. So, what you're going to want to do, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand right now. You're going to want to take this, plug it in there like that, and you're going to need a quarter inch male to 3.5 millimeter female adapter. You're going to take it and plug the other end of this short little aux cord into the adapter, if I can get it here, one-handed, just like that, until it clicks. And then you're going to want to plug this right into here, and you want to put it all the way in until you hear it click, just like that. And then there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. You know, you're all set to go. This has a volume control on it. Up for louder and down for quieter, you know, standard. And then, so that's about it, really. Now, for me, what I like to do is make sure this is out of the way with all the module controls. So what I did is I actually I decided to take some Velcro and put it on the back of here, and then put it on the back of this, and just Velcro it on there. That way it's out of the way, and then you can turn it on. Now, if you wanted to take it off to see the screen, you know, that's fine, because that's why I use the Velcro. So what I do, all I do is just take it and unvelcro it, turn it on when I'm ready to start playing, and make sure that everything's on. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, so basically, like I said, what you need is you're going to need the Raytide or Raytide. Sorry for the mispronunciation, if I am pronouncing it right or wrong, I don't know. That little Bluetooth receiver. You're going to need the ZDoo transmitter and receiver. You're gonna need whatever your favorite pair of headphones are, as long as they have one of these little plugs for the 3.5mm jack. And then you're gonna need the 1/4" adapter, the 1/4" male, the 3.5mm adapter. It's a 3.5mm. The 3.5mm end is the female end. So that's what you need for this. Other than that, though, it's real simple, easy to do, and it works. Alright? This is what I do all the time, and it just works great. So, I'm just using Skull Candy because they're pretty sound deadening, and they're good quality headphones. You know what I mean? They're relatively cheap, you know, they're not very expensive, and they actually have the plug where you can unplug the wired cable, because this is standard wired one. This is just how I converted it to wireless, because the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to be fighting with a cable, and when I'm drumming, I feel like, you know, the cable will be swinging around, and then I'll somehow manage to, with my sticks, I'll probably like end up managing to unhook the cable. So if I don't have to deal with the cable, then it's out of my way, then that's fine. You know what I mean? But like drum trigger cables and stuff, you know, that's different, because that's all behind the drum set. You know what I mean? So that's not going to be in my way. You know, so that's the only thing that would be in my way is the headphone cable. So other than that, though, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Click that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. And I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks.